equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts during the process. Start by removing the back cover of the Asus F515J. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Next, we will focus on the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery first by unplugging the connector. This is a crucial step to ensure safety while working on the internal components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, locate the screws securing the motherboard. There are typically 4 to 6 screws holding it in place. Remove these screws and gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. Take this opportunity to clean the internal components using compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated, ensuring optimal performance. Once the motherboard is free, inspect it for any visible damage such as burnt components or broken traces. If you find any issues, you may need to replace specific parts. Before proceeding with any repairs, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. If everything looks good, reassemble the motherboard by reversing the steps. Place it back into the chassis, secure it with the screws, and reconnect the battery. Make sure all connections are tight and secure to avoid any future issues. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and screwing it back into place. Ensure that all screws are tightened adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. After reassembly, power on the laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we are here to help you with no calls, no travel, making the repair process as convenient as possible for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.